Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of walking into your backyard and picking a perfectly ripe, juicy strawberry straight from the plant? Well, today, that dream is about to become a reality. We're going to unlock all the secrets to growing your own delicious strawberries at home, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Forget store-bought berries, nothing compares to the flavor of one you've grown yourself. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. You can start with bare root plants or small starter plants from a nursery. Strawberries love the sun, so find a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. They're not too picky about soil, but they thrive in well-draining, slightly acidic soil. If you're using pots or containers, make sure they have good drainage holes. A little bit of compost mixed into your soil will give your plants a fantastic head start. Now for the fun part, planting. If you're using bare root plants, soak them in water for about an hour before planting. When you place them in the soil, make sure the crown, that's the part where the leaves emerge from the roots, is right at soil level. Don't bury it too deep or leave it too exposed. Space your plants about a foot apart to give them room to grow and send out runners. After planting, give them a good, thorough watering. Caring for your strawberries is simple. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during dry spells, but avoid making it soggy. A layer of straw mulch around your plants is a great trick. It helps keep the soil moist, suppresses weeds, and keeps the developing berries clean and off the dirt as your plants grow. They'll send out runners. You can either let them root to create more plants or snip them off to focus the plant's energy on producing bigger, better fruit, and then comes the best part, the harvest. Depending on the variety, you'll be picking berries in late spring or early summer. Look for berries that are fully red. The flavor is best when they're picked at peak ripeness. Gently twist or snip them from the plant, leaving a small piece of the stem attached. Enjoy them fresh, in salads, desserts, or just as a sweet, healthy snack. There's truly nothing like it. So there you have it, from plant to plate. Growing your own strawberries is such a rewarding experience. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more home gardening adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.